Hi guys, let's talk today about how to pay your taxes. To start, let's go to irs.gov website. So this year, very different situation. Usually my clients, when they file their taxes, we do automatic withdrawal from their checking accounts and taxes are paid. This year, because of the due date extensions, not everybody were sure when would be a right date to pay taxes, so maybe we will have another extension. So we filed a lot of taxes, but actually have not made any payments. Now, if you would like to pay taxes, this is where you go. You go on irs.gov website, and this is a home screen. You would click make a payment. Once you come in to make a payment screen, it gives you an option. It gives you an option of bank account and debit or credit card. If you choose bank account direct pay, there is no fee associated. If it's debit card or credit card, there is a fee, additional fee that you will have to pay on top of your balance. So let's look, and here is a pop-up window. IRS representative wants to see if you want to chat to them. We would say no today. So I always recommend to do direct pay. This is no fees involved, and this is amount you would pay. Here, if you made some payments prior, you can look up your payment. If you've never done any payments, let's click here and make a payment. It brings you to the screen where you need to indicate what are you paying for. So let's see. You can pay for installment agreement, tax notice, tax return, extension, estimated tax, and a lot different options to pay. Usually, if you filed your tax return but you have not paid your balance due, you would click on tax return on notice. Apply payment to, this is very important. You need to know what form you paying for. 1040, 1040, 1040A or 1040 easy, this is a form. It's your federal tax return. And a year. Year is very important too, because it will apply to the year. So for example, if we in 2020 and you paying for last year tax return, you would click 2019. Press continue. Screen appears that says please confirm that you paying tax return for your 1040, 1048, 1040 easy for tax year 2019. Yes, that's it, correct. Step number 2. This is a screen where you would verify your identity. You would use tax returns that been already filed. For example, if you filed 2018 and that was your last year, you have not filed 2019, you would put here 2018. If you filed 2019, you would enter 2019. Next, it's a filing status. Here you would enter what is your filing status on 2019 tax year return. For example, if you in 2018 you were single and you filed as single, and in 2019 you got married and you filed as a married filing jointly, you need to be careful. If you put in tax year for verification 2018 and you were single, you put in single, not married. And if you filing you verify in 2019, you put in being married. Then you would put your first name, last name, confirm your social security number, enter your date of birth, and enter your address. Please don't forget to click here, I accept the Privacy Act and Paperwork Reduction Act, and click continue. And it will bring you to the next screen. I'm gonna fill out this screen and I'm gonna do small mistake here so you how it looks if you make a mistake. This is a screen I wanted to show you. I have not filed my 2019 tax return yet, but I put 2019 year for verification. After I enter all my information, next screen shows me your identity could not be verified. Please review and re-enter your information or try a different tax year. So if I'm gonna put 2019, it's gonna take me to a correct screen. I corrected my tax year and I double checked my social security and all my information, and now it brought me to payment information. Here you would enter how much is your tax liability, let's just say $560, and it's $560, and the date you want to make a payment, and then you would enter routing number, checking account number, and confirm account number. Here is a picture of a check, and it shows what the routing number is, what's account number is. If you do not have checks, a lot of us using bill pay or bank online banking, you might not have an actual physical check. You can still look it up your account number and just Google whatever the bank your banking is routing number in that state. For example, if it's Chase, you would Google routing number for Chase in California, and it's one gonna give it to you. And then you enter, what is it, checking your savings account, email confirmation, where you want to send the email confirmation, and you click continue. Step number 4 would be a summary, and step number 5 would be confirmation. So this is it. That's simple.